I'm here to tell you about the main features of the flat roof ballasted mounting system from Goomax Energy. The system adopts aluminium AL6005 T5 and stainless steel bolts, beautiful and sturdy, with a service life of up to over 20 years. It's applicable for residential solar power stations of any size, from a few kilowatts to megawatts. This economical product, especially engineered for non-penetration roofs, requires no roof drilling, and it secures the array without damaging the roof. Systems parts are made from lightweight and strong aluminium and come pre-assembled. They just require a few tools which make them quick and easy to install. The lightweight aluminium provides a low price per square feet and allows the rack to be easily manoeuvred on the roof, meaning there are no issues in acquiring the correct fit and position. These systems have a high water resistance and strong anti-corrosive properties, which makes them reliable and durable. Our confidence in our product's quality is corroborated by 12 years product warranty. We also offer a design to your specific project, so you can choose the layout to fit with whatever your needs may be, and we guarantee to also meet local building codes. We have our own manufacturing factories established in 1995 for aluminium and stainless steel components, allowing us to offer the most cost-effective solutions for you. And this particular racking system has passed tension tests and compression tests, and they have proven to be of high stability and reliability, meaning you can rest assured these are the right choice for you. Safety first and quality orientated is our production philosophy, and these systems are designed in accordance with industry standards TÜV AS/NZS 1170 and JIS C 8955 2008, so quality is highly ensured. Since establishment, Goomax has been persistently sticking to develop high-end, cost-effective products under strict quality control. Goomax has been granted with Quality System Certification ISO 9001-2008 and Environmental Management System Certification ISO 14001, which means you can trust us to deliver anything you may need.